Travel Bugs. This is our packing series for the ladies. As most of you should know by now, friends and I are going to Thailand for 18 days. I just wanted to walk you through the process that I take to pack and some of the tips that I've learned to save some space. Now, we are going for 18 days and it sounds like, oh my god, I have to bring up so much, but I'm actually only bringing a carry-on and a personal item. So let's see how I do. Now, the very first thing that I do, and it's very important to me, is do the laundry, because there's nothing more I cannot stand than trying to pack and something's dirty and you can't pack, you have to wait for it to wash, and then you might possibly forget it. So I like to make sure all my laundry is nice and clean. This way when I'm packing, it's clean and it's available. I go into my closet and I pick out anything I would like to wear and I throw it in one big pile. I sit down and I start pairing outfits. Now, I typically like to go for stuff that will match a lot of things, or I can wear in different occasions, like a dress that I could wear at the beach and then a dress, the same dress that I could possibly wear on a night out with some cute shoes. Once I have my outfits picked out, I like to try them on to make sure they look just like I imagined they would. I take them off and I take a quick photo of them. So this way when I'm on vacation, I'm not digging through my bag trying to find an outfit and making a mess, because friends and I like to move around a lot and it's the most annoying thing when you have to put your bag all back together. So this way, when I wake up each morning, I can just go into my photo album, pick out an outfit, and be ready to go. Then I write each item down. So this way, once I have everything in my suitcase, I can do a final check. Before I start packing things up and compressing things, I like to pick out my outfit for the airport, and typically you want to wear the bulkiest items. So this way you save space in your luggage and you're nice and warm on the plane, because we know it can get really cold on a plane. So I've already gone and done that. So I'm bringing these flowy black pants, which are the only pair of pants I'm bringing, a crop top, a little sweater, and a cardigan. I'll be nice and toasty, and I'm pairing it with my wedges because my wedges are the biggest pair of shoes that I'm bringing. Now, as far as my carry-on suitcase, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all my clothes, I'm gonna roll them up, and I'm gonna stick them in Ziploc bags. So let's get to it. Now, some of you might be wondering, why is she sticking all of her clothes in Ziploc bags? Well, I mean, it's the cheapest way to kind of compress them. You just stick them in there, roll them up, squeeze the air out. This way it'll fit perfectly in your suitcase and you'll have plenty of room left. Another reason why I like keeping my clothes in Ziploc bags is it keeps everything nice and organized. You can see each item very easily and it doesn't make a mess, and I love it. So now let's pack the suitcase. Now that I'm done with my suitcase, I'm going to move on to my personal item. I only stick stuff that I'm going to be using on the plane in here and my liquids so that they're easy to pull out as security. And of course they're in a Ziploc bag. One, because they're required to. Two, so they're not getting all over my stuff. I'm gonna stick my laptop, liquids, more liquids, and makeup remover, toothpaste, or should I say toothbrush, my electronic cords. I like to stick them all in a bag so they're nice and organized and they're easy to get to. Some facial masks for both Ferns and I, a book, my wallet, awesome compression socks. This will be my first time using compression socks on a plane, so I'm pretty pumped to see how well my legs feel. And of course, some noise canceling headphones, so this way I can either get some work done or I can watch some movies in peace. So let's pile it all in, guys. I'm also gonna pack a pair of comfy shoes. This way, if my feet are bothering me, I can just switch right into them. It's super easy. Throw it in my personal item. Also, can't forget the neck pillow. Alright, so I have my suitcase packed, I have my personal item packed, I have my outfit to wear to the airport. I'd say I'm ready to go, and all in all, I was able to fit 10 outfits in my suitcase along with 4 going out outfits, all my hair stuff, so my hairbrush, my curling iron, along with some lotion, an extra purse, and a pair of sandals. And in my personal item, everything I was using on the plane, so that goes for my laptop, neck pillow, extra pair of shoes, you name it. I think we're set and we're ready to go. Well, that's all I have for you today, ladies. I hope this helped. I hope you learned something new. And if you like this video, can you please like, comment, and subscribe? It'd be great. And I'll talk to you soon.